Welcome to our guide on transforming your pup into a fetch superstar. Get ready for some tail-wagging fun. Fetch isn't just fun, it's great exercise and bonding time for you and your furry friend. Start in a small enclosed space. This helps your dog focus and makes learning easier. Get your dog excited about the toy. Wave it, make noise, anything to grab their attention. Toss the toy a short distance, encourage your dog to chase it, make it fun and exciting. Now teach your dog to hold the toy. Praise them for even the briefest grip. The drop it command is crucial. Offer a treat in exchange for the toy. Slowly increase the fetch distance. This builds your dog's confidence and stamina. Remember, positive reinforcement works wonders. Use treats, praise, and playtime generously. For easily distracted dogs, try the 2-ball method. It keeps the game engaging and fast-paced. Don't worry about setbacks. We'll cover common fetch problems and how to solve them. With patience and consistent practice, your dog will become a fetch champion in no time. Ready to take your dog's fetch skills to the next level? Click the link below for more expert tips.